Hello all. As we are completed Introduction to Matlab, where we learn the Matlab desktop layout and the uses of different panels, windows, and toolbars. Now, in this session, we are starting with functions of Matlab. This will help us getting comfortable with core operational elements of Matlab. So, in this session, functions of Matlab, we are going to start with some basics of Matlab scripting as well and day-to-day commands which we use in a MATLAB, arithmetic operation, relational operation, logical operation, etc. That so many things we are going to learn in this session. So here you can see on the screen where we have a table. In that table, in that first column, it's all the commands and the descriptions about the command. In the third column, also all the commands and description about that commands. So these are some basic commands which we use in a day-to-day life, like assigning a variable, clear, close, CLC, and all these things. Here all are mentioned. Some of the array operations here all are the mentions, and here you can see all the arithmetic operations like trigonometric functions, so the comparison like relational operator, where like some conditional statement, if else, or like looping structures for a while and like some if you want to display the variable, what's the value of that variable on the command window, and where if you want to display some another display also, so we can use right using this all basic commands we can write a scripts as well, or we can perform this all the functions on command window as well. So let's get started with the MATLAB functions of MATLAB on MATLAB screen. Okay, so here you can see very first command which I used is clear. Okay, as till now we have studied that a few of the commands clear will be used to clear all the workspace. Okay, as you can see in a presentation, so clear is used to clear all the variables from the workspace. So before that, there is one more command where variable name is equal to value. Suppose if I am assigning this thing in a MATLAB, suppose if I am assigning a variable a is equal to 5. Okay, so you know that this variable is created and it is stored in a workspace. So here you can see the variable a is created and stored in a workspace. And now what that clear command is going to be do, it is going to clear the workspace. Here you can see I have entered the clear command and now I am pressing enter. You can see that workspace is cleared now. Okay, so what is the use of CLC? To clear the command window, we can use the CLC. So you can see after using a CLC, my command window is clear. So now get start with some basic arithmetic operations if you want to learn. So if I will be having a is equal to, okay, 5. So a is equal to 5 where we are assigning a variable, okay, in a workspace. Now b is equal to 3. So now in a workspace you can see a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. So I want to take as a c is equal to a plus b, a plus b. So you can see that arithmetic operation is performed and you are able to see here where the c is equal to a plus b, where that addition is happened with 5 plus 3 and 8 should be stored in a workspace as well and here as well. Okay, that one more thing if I want to tell you, like if I am writing some command like c plus a, okay, c plus a. I'm not assigning this arithmetic operation to somewhere else or something else or anywhere. So MATLAB will create by default one variable with name of ANS, answer, and it will store the whatever value is here in that answer format. You can see that by default variable is created ANS, answer. So MATLAB is also having some special kind of feature. Suppose if I am writing a file and entering this, so MATLAB is used that phi as an input like output of ANS. So you can, if I want to change like something 8 also, 8 I'm right typing here and entering, you can see that answer variable is going to be changed. So this is a by default variable which is created in the MATLAB as an ANS. We will not use ANS for our functions, like if do assigning something, it's MATLAB by default assigned variable. Okay, so now if I want to know something like my C, okay, is greater than uh, A. Okay, so you everyone know that C is greater than A. Okay, so there are some relational operator greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, less than, equal to, less than. There's so many operations we can perform. So what I'll do, I'll make it like simple. I'll create instead of creating a variable, you can see in an answer that logical. Now answer is changed to the logical format. So what are the data types and like classes of MATLAB? In the session of classes of MATLAB, we are going to learn that data type, what is logical and all these things. Here I'll be just introducing the relational operator, logical operator and all these things. Okay, so this is a relational operator where A is greater than, C is greater than A. Yeah, that is true. So answer is 1, logical 1. If I am writing like A is greater than C. So this is not correct. So my answer should be logical 0. So there are various relation operators we can perform, we can do, and we can assign as well as. So here I have, I'm going to start the scripting for you. One basic script we will write here to display the variables as well. Okay, so I'm going to start some new scripts from here. You can see. Okay, and from that script I am going to do the same thing what I'll be doing previously now for you. A is equal to 5, okay, and B is equal to 3. Okay, again, now I am what I'll be doing in a C variable. I am comparing that A is less than B. This is not a correct statement. Okay, then I am right. I am want to see the what is the value of C. Okay, so C, here I am writing to display the C in a command window. Okay, so some basic script I have created for a comparison. Okay, so now I am before run this script I have to save this script. If I am running also, then MATLAB will ask us to save the script. So here I will write that relational OP operator. Okay, so relational operations we are going to perform. So here you can see that relational OP, the script is run and the answer is 0. Okay, what is a 0? Value of C is 0. If we want to see the value of C is 0, then we can write one more statement here. What is the value? Like how we can write in a scripts as well in C and all. So here we can use in that way as well. Okay, so if I am writing here, you can see now relational operator C is equal to 0. So there are various scripts we can create. How we can create a script, I think now you have got the idea how we can create a script from here. I have created one script. I have to show before running the script and so many things I have to do. So here I have written some basic scripts for plotting as well. Like in that I am going to plot the sine wave. So here are the few functions that plot and x label, title. These all the like functions of MATLAB which used to design a graph. Okay, and these are the some mathematical operations, division, multiplication and all. Okay, so here and trigonometric operation as well, like sine t is a trigonometric operation. If I am running this script, you can see one graph is created in front of us in a figure format, which is indicating us a complete sine wave from 0 to 1 and like -1, like it's starting with 0 going till 1, then again coming down till -1, from 0 to -1, then -1 to 0. So this is a one sine wave which is completing his iteration at multiple points. It's having that corrections, all the thing. Okay, so now, we have learned some relation operator, trigonometric operations, and now we will learn some day-to-day commands which we use in the MATLAB. I'm going to close the scripts as well. You can see now. I'll be having opening with command window. I have cleared the command window. I'm going to clear the workspace as well. Okay, and again I'm going to clear the command window. Fine. So I'll create one simple variable x is equal to 10. Okay. So here you can see if x is equal to 10, I'll be using one basic day-to-day use of command like CLA class. I want to know the data type of a x. So in a MATLAB, everything should be saved by default by double data type. Okay, so if I'm writing class x, So you can see in the answer we will get the data type of X. X is by default stored in a double format, what we have stored in a workspace. Okay. So if I am using the command whose, so here you can see shows every data type which currently present in a workspace. Now we have two variables present in the workspace. One is answer, which is a data type double of X, and another one is X. So here you are able to see it is going to show us all the data types and size and all here in using a whose. Whatever in a workspace present, that all variables should be like if we want to see, then we will use the command whose. Okay, so if we are using a command who, so it is show only the variables present in a workspace. It will not show all the size, derive and all. So who is used to see how many variables present and what are the variables present, and whose is like all the detailing we want with variable name, size, data type, class. Like in Matlab, usually data type is known as a class. Okay, so if I am referring class, if I am telling a class, the X, what is the class of X is double. So that means the what is a data type of X is double. Okay, so just need to be understand. And few of the thing like basic command like home. So it you can see we haven't cleared the workspace. Whatever commands we are did till now, it's went till up. You can see here my slider become a down. Okay, so it's moved me up. That home command is used to scroll up. Okay, so as we know that the CLC to clear the command window, clear all and all. Okay, so if we want to use like some basic commands like assigning a variable and how it should be assigned, or if we want to assign something in that different format, that also we can learn. Suppose if I want to assign one string, so how I can assign a string? Okay, so I'm going to write here like now in this string. Okay, and I'm pressing enter. So if I want to assign any string, I need to be write in a single quotes is equal to in the front of variable. Okay, so as you are able to see now, there is a variable automatically generated and created by a default as well, like answers which are defaultly created a variables. So by default, when you call a function without assigning anything, it will be stored in answer. Generally, we try to present the use of try to prevent the use of unset, that's we add specific variable names to test the things. Okay, so what I told you now, so I told you like if I'm entering a file and that its variable is created answer, and so that kind of things we are prevent to use in a MATLAB, because this is a generally used functions by MATLAB by default, so it will make a complex to solve the equations, f of x equations to the MATLAB. So this is all about the functions of MATLAB. I hope I have tried to tried to like complete all the basic functions of MATLAB. Still some functions I remember, so we will cover when we will learn the classes of MATLAB as well.